Yeah, guys, write this program. Tell me the output. Yeah, this one, guys. Guys, write this program. What is the output? Only 5?
Only 5, sir.
Only 5. Yeah, see once. Now static int 5 now. Print of I value. I value is 5. It prints 5. Okay now? It prints 5. Now minus minus I. If I write minus minus I, what is minus minus I? 4. If 4 means true, true means exit. It comes outside. Okay. Example, if I did not write here, if I did not write, if I have written just I, if I have written just I, right, guys, and I equals to 0, I have written, guys. I equals to 0. Then here I have written minus minus I. Now tell me, guys, what is the output now? Now how it execute? This is a 5. 5 value will be printed. 5 value will be printed. Minus minus I 4. It's not 4. Don't exit. Main again you are calling a main. Again you call a main. If I call a main again, it won't load. It won't load. Already 4 is there. Now 4 value will be printed. What is the output now? What it prints now? Tell me, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Does it print 0?
No.
No, it won't print 0. This is the output. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, guys. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Now this one. What is the output?
It is not declared.
Hmm? Error. Yeah, it is error. Why? Because you declared in the ABC, we can't use in the main function. We can't use in the main function, right? This is error. I declared this. Okay, but if I write same thing, if I write same thing here, now here also it is there. Now, is it valid now?
Valid.
Valid now. Now S value is how much? 5 it is. This is a 5. Okay, this is valid now. Yeah, same programs are there. Extern also is there. Okay, you understood, right? What is extern and static? Static is a file scope, extern is a application scope variable, right? Application means you can use in another program. See, extern variable 1.c I declared, we can use in another program also. If it is static, we can't use it. In extern, we can use. Extern value we can use. Okay, na? External value you can use. This is 1.c I declared integer z. We can use in another program this value. But if it is static variable, only in one program we can use. Another program we can't use it. That is error. Okay. Static is a file scope variable. This extern is a application scope variable. Okay, na? Yeah. Next, tomorrow we discuss pre-processing topic, and other topic is there, files, pre-processing and files. Tomorrow class we discuss. Tomorrow I will finish pre-processing. Next day that we'll discuss. After that, yeah, guys, I give you some work. I give you some work to you. I will send you some C questions. Guys, C interview questions I will send. You have to do those questions. Yeah, these all are questions. See, questions, guys. You go through interview questions, all interview questions, one sentence question. Example, whatever answer those questions. That's all. What is pointer? You know that. Okay, what is use of ML lock and CL lock? That is, you don't know, leave it. Whatever you have, you know those questions, answer. If you don't know, tomorrow class we discuss. If anything is there. Okay, see this. Okay. How to share this file? Yeah. Tomorrow I will share this. Tomorrow I will share this file. See interview questions. You try to answer those. All interview questions covered. This one mark. Okay. Mostly in technical round, these questions only they will ask. Many questions are there. Okay, guys. Tomorrow I will share this question. Okay. Tomorrow morning
Sir,
we'll
I
share.
have a doubt.
Yeah, ask.
Sir, how to actually say external variable inside a main if main has the same variable name,
Main is a
like extern int I equal to 5 some,
extern int I equals to 1 minute. Int I equals to 5. Okay.
and main also has a variable I int I equal to 1 main.
Yeah. See this. Now main also integer variable.
No, yeah,
Yeah,
like
1
in
minute.
main.
In main also we declared one variable integer I.
Int I
How
equal
to
to 1.
use I equals to 1. How to use that variable?
Mm.
Okay, now.
Mm.
Yeah, this concept is in C++. Okay, this concept
Okay.
is in C++, but in C language it's not there. Okay, how to access those variables? See, example I will show you. I will save as a .c. Guys, in C++ how to access? Okay, .c++. I will write a .c++. Local
In C++,
variable and
I know like, we can use a
using
unary
scope.
resolution operator.
Yeah, scope resolution operator use. Use
Yes.
like this, right? But in C language it's not there. We can't access.
Okay.
Okay, now if
Okay.
same local and global variable are same name, we can't access. Okay, if in C++ scope resolution operator is there. Using scope resolution operator, if I say x, that is, it gives a priority to local variable. Okay, if I write a scope variable x, then it gives a priority of global variable. Clear? But in C language there is no that operator. In C++
Okay.
they entered. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other doubts? Yeah. Are you writing
And
test? Yeah, yeah. Tell
what
me.
is the difference between exit of 0 and exit of 1?
Exit of 0 and exit of 1. What is exit of 0? That is successfully execution. Means, see, when you are developing a game, guys, two types of results will be there. One is successfully completed, right? And level failed and stay in the same line. Game, if you are playing game, two types of results. One is whether it is completed or whether it is failed. Okay, if it is, you are playing Candy Crush, okay, when you play Candy Crush, go to the next level. When it is successfully completed, go to the next level. If it is not successfully completed, stay in the same level. Okay, exit of 0 represent what? Exit of 0 in real time compilers, what will happen? Those compilers shows the status of the program. What is the status of the program, whether it is came outside from that program or not. Okay, see, exit of 0. Example, here I am writing exit of 0. If I write exit of 0, if this block is, see, he played correctly. Example, if I equals to 0, that is here I am giving on status. Okay, if it is played, go to exit of 0. Else, if it is not played properly, I will write exit of 1. Okay, I will write like this. Okay, if I write like this, when it is you completely played that game, this block will be executed. Yes or no? Exit of 0. Okay, we are exiting from here. He played correctly. Exit of 0 means successfully completed. Okay, you did not play this, exit of 1. Okay, who will receive these values? Who is calling this main program? I told C0.asm compiler receives that. c0.asm, I told you, right? That file it receives. Our compiler receives the status. Compiler receives the status. Okay, this program will be called first. Whenever you are executing the program, c0.asm will be called. This status will be exit of 0 will be ghost, or exit of 1 will go to this function. They will define here. What will happen if you receive a 0 here, that is successfully completed. Successfully completed. If you write a exit of 1, what is exit of 1? It's not successfully completed. That is exited failure, abnormal termination. Same way, return 0, return 1 also same. Return 0, return 1 also. Return 0. Return 0 means what? Successfully exited. Return 1 means exited failure. Exited failure. That is the meaning. Okay. Exit of 0 means successfully exited from the program. Successfully exited from the program. Exit of 1
Okay.
means it's not exited failure. It's not completely executed that program. It's not completely executed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Who will receive those status? This is, we are sending this status to compiler. We are sending the exit of 0, exit of 1 values. We are sending to the compiler. Compiler receives those values. Depends upon those values, it decides whether it is successfully compiled or not. Okay, successfully executed or not. Okay, any other
Okay,
doubt?
sir.
Yeah.